Namaste to all. It is a glorious moment for us that we are working in the Atal Tinkering Lab project. Our ATL lab is equipped with various type of modern sensors and various modern devices. We are basically working on a smart army based camp project, and our smart army camp is consist of 3 modern sensors. So first let me introduce my teammates. Here he is Ranveer Kumar Misra, he is Vikram Mandal, and he is Shivam Pandey. So we are working on a smart army based project, and our camp is based with 3 sensors. First is sonar sensor, second is IR sensor, and the third one is MQ135 gas sensor. So first let me show you how our IR sensor work. For example, if someone enters this gate, and for example if someone tries to cross this, then this will detect and the buzzer will produce beep sound. And the second one is MQ135 gas sensor. Vikram?
Yes.
Please. This is the chart of MQ135 gas sensor. This green shows the air quality is good, and this yellow shows that air quality is moderate, and this shows that the air quality is unhealthy for sensitive group, and between 150 and 200 that it shows unhealthy. And so let us check how is the air quality index in our area. Currently we can see that our air quality index is around 127, 120. So
Around 125 to 130.
we can here see that this is unhealthy for sensitive groups, and this chart shows that our air quality index is unhealthy for sensitive groups. So Motus, explain karo.
Like we all know that this era is technology era, and we can fight with the enemies with the help of technology, with the better coordinated with technology. Like some examples of Israel, they are connected with the technology, modern technologies, and they are very powerful. Even they are very small country. Even Israel is smaller than Jharkhand, and its population is also smaller than Jharkhand. Even it is a very fast growing country, and it is a very powerful country. Thank you.
Today we have made an automatic plant watering system using Arduino, which is here. This is plant watering system using Arduino. Here is soil moisture sensor. Here is Arduino. Here is relay, and that is Bluetooth. And this is a water motor inside it, which works like.
Here we are using 5-volt relay module, which is used for supplying current, Arduino Uno, which is used for sensing the thing, and soil moisture sensor. When this sensor senses less moisture in the soil, then it passes signal to the Arduino, and the Arduino passes signal to the motor, and the motor will automatically off. And when this moisture soil moisture senses the moisture in the soil, then it passes signal to the Arduino, and Arduino will pass a signal to the motor, and the motor will automatically on. This working of this model is the motto of working of this model is that this is very helpful in nurseries and farmer for irrigation. With the help of this model, the workload is reduced, and there is no need of labor for farmers for irrigation in the field. That's all. Thank you. And the working is like that. Here the motor is working, and with the help of this pipe, this water passes through the soil.
My name is Aman Chaudhary. I am from class 8B. My content is automatic light on and off system. This project is operated by the mobile. This project work is you automatic light on off on the mobile and save the energy. Like that, we go from out of the home and forget to light off our room. Then we use our mobile phone and off the light. Like that, this is mobile application. It's connected to this project. We touch the button and the light on and off. And this project made by our team member Ansu, Manish, and Aman and Piyush. And this is line flowing car. Is follow the line by our path. Like that, we give the 12 volt and give a line. Then he follow the line and do our work. like that.